Hey, this is Juanita the Sonista, and welcome to all of my fabulous socials. We are here in the All Things Sewn Facebook group, and we're going to be doing a drawing to find out who the winner is of the Sewgo Challenge for July. And let me go up here and just give you a little bit of information on how the Sewgo Challenge works. So, what's going to be happening is on every last Saturday of the month, we're going to be giving away a sewing notion, pattern fabrics, gift cards, and even Cash App gifts to one lucky winner. And as our group grows, then we're going to be able to select multiple winners depending on the participants. Now, to be entered into the drawing, you're going to have to play Sewgo, of course. Now, Sewgo is our new social media engagement game, and all you need to do is follow the instructions given on the Sewgo post each month. Once again, that will be posted on the last Saturday of each month. The instructions for July's Sewgo challenge was for anyone who wanted to participate was to share one of our basic sewing terms. And I gave them a hint that our basic sewing terms could be found in our group files along with other documents that we have there as well. Then they were supposed to post under this post, comment under this post rather, one of those basic sewing terms and the definition of it. And then they were supposed to post a picture or a demonstration of that particular basic sewing term. And then after that, they were supposed to go over to my Instagram and they were supposed to follow and like and also comment on one of my posts. And if they didn't really know what to comment, of course, you can always just comment hashtag Sewgo. Then they were supposed to come back to this post and under their original comment, they were supposed to type the word done. That way I knew that they had completed all of the instructions for this Sewgo challenge. So we did have a few participants that did that. So just remember when you see this post here, that we're getting ready to have the challenge if you want to join in. And Daphne Bradfield, she chose the basic sewing term fat quarters. And of course, she followed all of the instructions. And then she was asked if she was selected as a winner, which one of our item of the week um, that we post in the group, we post an item of the week weekly on Sundays. And these are the four items that was for July, and it was the portable ironing mat. Then there was heating bond, and there was a turning tool as well as a ruffler foot for your sewing machine. And she selected that if she was the winner, she would like to have the ironing mat. And then we had Rachel Pittman. She also selected from the one of the four items, and she selected the heating bond. So should she be selected as the winner today, we are going to give her the heating bond. And then a two, she spoke about back stitching. She also did a really nice demonstration and posted a video in the group about back stitching. And she selected the ruffler foot. Okay, so these were the three participants for this month. We're hoping to have more participants as the months go further along. And the reasoning for me coming up with Sewgo was, like I said before, is to engage. Okay, if you're part of a group, a club, or an organization, you always want to engage and be a participant in what's going on. Also, in doing these types of challenges, as well as our beginners, our intermediate and advanced sewists also can possibly learn from this, especially by doing some of the demonstrations and getting in there and trying out some of the things that we're doing within the group, as well as support. And so, as just as well as these young ladies supported me over on Instagram, I also went and followed and liked and commented on some of their posts too. So they got a little bit of engagement there as well. And so that's what it's all about. In starting All Things Sewn, it was to teach others to sew. And the only way that you're going to learn to sew is if you participate. You got to sew, right? So without further ado, we're going to go over and we're going to head to our Sewgo wheel. So this is going to be the Sewgo wheel that we're going to be spinning to select our winners. That way I'm not pulling names out of a hat or just selecting a winner by random. We want to make this where everybody has the same chance of winning. And so I'm going to pop these names in here. And now these names appear here on the wheel. Okay, and so these are the 3 participants for July. And I'm going to click and spin the wheel. And once the wheel comes to a complete stop, whoever's name is on here is the one who's going to win the July giveaway. So let's get started here. It's time to spin the wheel. So remember, it has to come to a complete stop. And who's going to be our winner? Complete stop. Going to be Rachel. Oh no. All right. Daphne. All right. Congratulations, Daphne. You are our July Sewgo winner, and we're going to be shipping you out the ironing mat. What we need you to do is go ahead and message me on Facebook with your shipping address as well as your email, and then I'm going to reply back to let you know when your prize is going to ship and when you should expect your delivery. Once again, I would like to congratulate Daphne, and I would like to also thank the other 2 participants. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And until next month's Sewgo Challenge, go sew, or should I say, Sewgo, keep those machine needles moving.